We have reached the third round in this day of human terrors here in Sitges during the Festa Major da San Bartolomeo 2012. In front of us we have the best team present in the square, Minyons de Terrassa. And we see them when they are building their most simple construction of the day. This is a 4x8 on 4x8. But before we have reached this far, we have already seen the same team completing first a 2x8, and after that a 5x8. The constructions which are a lot more complicated than this construction here. However, all fans of Minyons de Terrassa and all fans of human towers have every reason to have a lot of expectations now, because in a few days, on the 30th of August, we will see the annual day of human towers during the Festa Major de Vilafranca del Penedès, La Diada de San Felix, and there we will see Minyons together with three our top teams here in Catalonia. The local team and also the far most advanced Castell team, Minyons de Vilafranca, one of the two most traditional teams, Sitges, and de Tarragona. That is on Thursday the 30th of August, but here first we have this class, the boys, the 4x8. Crown, descarregat by Minyons de Terrassa. Now, well, they simply must make this. I think that the people on the 5th level have come a bit too close to each other. We say that human tower is closed, or even descarregat, or what would you say, deformed. They are managing to sort it out, and it's not that serious that they won't make it. Now they're already starting their descent, and with that the situation of course has been solved. So we have a part of the wood on 4x8 completed by Minyons de Terrassa here in Sitges during the Festa Major 2012.